I'm going to show you create a pure golden effect in Photoshop. First of all, we will create a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl+J. With change a layer name. Go to Filter and then click to convert to Smart Object. Hit OK. Go to Filter and click to open Camera Raw Filter. Just follow the steps and don't miss anything. Select the Smart Filter thumbnail and go to Image and Adjustment, click to invert, Ctrl+I. Select the brush tool and change the foreground color. After right-click, select the soft round brush and hardness 0. Just like a paintbrush using, then apply pure golden effect. That's it. Click to Layer icon, open Levels. First click to Clipping Mask icon, then Adjustments, Levels, Brightness and Shadows. I show you before and after result. Hope you like this video and subscribe my channel, like, share and comments. Don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you, bye bye.